everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Monday, March 20th, and tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 3-box break. It is one of the Hit Parade autographed jerseys from Series 10, box 52 of 100. It is also one of the college boxes in Series 2 that is also box 52 of 100. We are also doing the third box is a boom box. We let the customers choose between a stack of 3. They pick the box C, which is the third box. So here we go. Our break box 52 in our NFL first. Y'all are going to hear that pop of your seal. Oh, Brandon Marshall. I didn't know who the hell that was, man. Yeah, that is a Brandon Marshall Bears jersey, folks. Brandon Marshall. First time I think I pulled Brandon Marshall, especially as a Bear, that's for sure. It is a custom. Yeah, he's got a nice sig and everything, folks. But Brandon Marshall Bears jersey, man. All right, so that is going to be a Chicago hit, man. Chicago's really been heavy in this friggin' HP set, man. State of Hockey. That is a State of Hockey hit. Sure he don't mind. All right, we're going to move on to our college. That is also box 52 of 100. Y'all are going to hear it pop. All right, come on, buds. Let us see what we don't get. Number 30. It's a sig. There it is. It's a little hard to see there. Green? Gotta look at that darn sig, man. And do you guys read that sig? I don't know, man. It's... Is it Amon? Man, I don't know. Can somebody look up this PSA for me real quick? Yeah, I just want to double check with that. I mean, it's the sig is actually a little hard to see. It's like so thin. All right, it's an Amon green. All right, there you go, folks. That is going to be a Packer hit. That is going to be a Marshall hit. There you go, bud. There you go. It's going to be a Marshall hit. He's been on a massive roll the last friggin' week or so, buds. There you go. There's going to take us into our boom box. Let us hope this produces something nice for our boys. Pop. Well, it's a great looking jersey, guys. I'll tell you that. Yeah, you know, but that is a, come on, boy. That is Bob Lilly Cowboys jersey, folks. She's a massive jersey, guys. Yep, it's got a great sig, everything. She's brand new. I don't think she's ever even been unfolded or anything. It is a custom, just to verify for you. But that is going to be a cowboy hit, obviously. Who has a Dallas? Who is the Dallas? Profit. Yep, there you go, bud. You all are gonna join us at breakers.tv if y'all want to break stuff like this 7 nights a week starting about 8 p.m. Central. Y'all have a good one. We'd appreciate a click on that follow button.